So today, you'll learn how to install an app on your OnePlus 13. So you can install an app in two ways. The first is by using the App Market or App Picks app on your OnePlus. And to do that, just look for this icon here labeled App Picks and tap on it to launch it. This will launch the App Market, and then on the home screen, you should see recommended apps that you can install. So you have things like CapCut, you have LinkedIn, you even have games. So it just depends on your region and the most used apps there. You also have different categories given to you. So you have home, which is currently where we are. You have games, you have apps, and then you have the top searches in around. So it's completely up to you to decide where you want to install an app from. So for example, if I want to install Pinterest, I'll simply select it like that. Then I can see the app details. And you can see this says this is no longer available, which means I can't install Pinterest from here. So I'll just go back and look for an app that I can actually install. So something like Opera browser, I can tap on it to view the app details. And then I can just tap on install. And then I just need to wait for the app to be downloaded onto my OnePlus. So just wait patiently. You can even see the notification at the top, which means you can just exit like that and keep track of the download in your notifications. And then once the app has finished installing, you want to tap on open to launch it. So that's how you can install apps from the App Market. Alternatively, you can always choose to use the Google Play Store. So the Google Play Store will need you to have added your Google account onto your OnePlus so that you can actually be able to access those features. So what you need to do is just ensure that you have your Google account added. If you don't know how to do that, I'll leave the video in the link. I'll leave a link for that video in the description so that you can follow through with that process. And so once you've added your Google account, you then want to tap on Play Store to launch it. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in the app you wanted to install. So because Pinterest wasn't available in the App Market, I'll install Pinterest from here. So I'll just type in the name of the app like that and then search. And then I'll see it listed in the search results. So I'll just tap on it to view the details, select install, simply wait for the app to be installed onto my phone. And then once the installation process is complete, I'll just tap on open to launch it. So those are the two ways you can install apps on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.